Hello, everybody. Climb
Is he climbing the ladder?
down, down, down. Up, up. Yeah.
Where does the man go?
Oh, what is on?
Is that where the water goes? Ooh, that's a big man, isn't it?
Yeah, then go down.
Go down, down, down the ladder.
Yes, then go fight. Go by.
Is that a fire?
And go bye-bye.
You can have him drive it?
Woo, woo. I want more
Oh, that's
waters.
probably not a good idea.
And more waters. Then
More water. Put some water on the fire.
The man has to go up the ladder.
let's go sit on it. That's right.
Does the ladder hook onto the truck, Lee?
I don't know yet. Oh, uh-oh. Press the yellow button. Oh, press this right here, Andrew.
Woo, woo.
Can you press the yellow button again?
Wait. Go first, get.
Ooh, did the engine start?
Oh, look how long.
Yeah.
Can you say thank you, Uncle Robert? Can you say that?
Thank you.
Can you can you say thank you, Aunt Gloria?
Thank you, Area.
Sweet boy.
Fire first, get.
Ooh. I have a feeling I'll hear that sound a lot.
I want a police car.
You want a police car? Yeah, we need to get a police car to go with your fire truck. That'd be perfect. Mommy doesn't like sleep.
Start now.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.